Prepare to journey into the heart of darkness. These are the forgotten corners of America, cities left behind, holding secrets buried deep within their abandoned walls. We're uncovering the darkest secrets of America's abandoned cities, exploring the chilling stories behind their sudden demise and lingering ghosts. There's a strange, magnetic pull to these forgotten urban landscapes. They represent a pause button on history, a moment frozen in time that captures our imagination. But beyond the ruin lies something more profound. Dark secrets rooted in disaster, economic collapse, and human struggle that led to their abandonment. Our first stop is Centralia, Pennsylvania, a town virtually wiped off the map, not by war or plague, but by an unseen force lurking beneath the surface. Centralia's secret is a massive, relentless underground mine fire that began in 1962 and continues to burn today. The inferno made the ground unstable and the air toxic. The town was condemned, leaving behind deserted streets, steaming sinkholes, and the constant threat of collapsing infrastructure, a chilling testament to nature reclaiming its own. Next, we travel to Pitcher, Oklahoma, once a booming center of industry, now a cautionary tale of environmental devastation. Pitcher's wealth came from lead and zinc mining, but this prosperity came at a terrible cost. Decades of unregulated dumping created massive piles of toxic chat, poisoning the land and water. The resulting health crises and devastating environmental contamination led to Pitcher being designated a federal Superfund site and ultimately evacuated. Our focus shifts to the industrial Midwest, specifically Gary, Indiana, a city built on steel, now suffering from a different kind of decline. Following the collapse of the U.S. steel industry, Gary faced a massive economic downturn and population flight, leaving behind vast stretches of abandoned infrastructure and homes. The dark secret here is not just decay, but the associated high crime rates, urban blight, and the tragic loss of community that followed the economic devastation. As a bonus, let's look across the globe to Hashima Island, Japan, an astonishing example of rapid expansion followed by immediate abandonment. Once the most densely populated place on Earth, Hashima Island was a wartime coal mining operation fueled by immense human effort and, tragically, exploitation. When coal operations ceased, the entire island was emptied in mere weeks. Today, it stands as a ghostly concrete fortress, rapidly being consumed by the sea. These abandoned places, both in America and worldwide, leave us with profound questions about progress, consequences, and legacy. They are stark reminders of the fragility of human settlement, illustrating the devastating impact of industrial changes, environmental abuse, and economic collapse. We must remember these dark histories, not just for their eerie beauty, but for the lessons they hold for our future. Thank you for joining us on this exploration.